Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto G82, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app from this developer and select Open. Following that, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, choose Settings, so Ceramics click, and tap on I accept. Finally, adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and pick one of those options. I will go with Home Screen only. Now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!